Morning folks, doing a mini challenge for James for his Klay Flawless auto where the top two are getting spots in the main. Challenge. Live. List has Tom, so Tom will copy that list into the randomizer at 11:55 AM local time. Tom on top and Tom on bottom. Dice roller 2 dice, no snake eyes. It's a 6. Good luck. Looking for the top two. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maddie and Justin on top one more time at 11:56. Congrats. 2. Spot 7, Brett, and spot 8, Maddie picking up spots in the moment. Had to go 6 times, did go 6 times. Verification code at the bottom, and it's spot 7 and 8 picking up spots in the main. Congrats. Good luck. Challenge complete.